a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them free. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright honey, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Eayon here. Shout out to you Eayon for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their pre-style lace front purple pixie cut curly bob lace wig. That is the name of the unit. This unit does come in purple, which is purple all the way through. You can also get it in 1B/30. / purple. You can also get it in 1B/27, and it is also available in 99J. You have all of those color options available. Now the cap constructions you have available is 13x4 T-part, meaning it would just be a T-part unit. You got the 13x6 and you got the 4x4 closure. So you have all of those available as well. I personally have the 13x6. But you have all of the options available. Now the densities that are available is 150 and 180% density. It says hair texture is curly/wave. 13x4, all the lace sizes are all the ones that I already named. The length is 6 inches, so apparently it only comes in 6 inches. The lace color is that they have the transparent lace available for the 13x6 and medium brown lace for the 4x4. And they don't have anything listed with the color that will be available for the 13x4 T-part. The hairline is pre-plucked and it lasts for 1 more year. So with this wig, it did come pre-tweezed. I did not bleach the knots. I can't say whether or not they were bleached because they were purple, okay? So I want to kind of throw that out there about this unit, that the color does bleed. And it says that the color will basically, after, I think they said 3 to 5 washes, the color may disappear or it'll get lighter. Let me see exactly what they said, y'all. Don't let me put stuff in these people's words. It is normal for a wig to have a slight fading color, which would disappear after 3 to 5 times of shampoo. So that's how they said that. I don't know what that means, but I want to throw it out there to you guys because they threw it out there to me. Okay, so keep that in mind with this wig. And it also does a bleed, so I can see that the color will be different after shampooing because it was bleeding already for me. So I want to throw that out there. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any with this wig whatsoever. So So it doesn't shed or tangle straight out of the packaging. I'm not going to say that at some point it won't. Straight out of the packaging, it did none of the things, but like I said, that doesn't mean at some point, oh, girl won't decide to do all of the things to me, okay? So throw it out there, okay? you can pick up what I'm putting down, honey, okay? So as far as big head friendly, I do feel like this wig is very big head friendly. I did adjust the straps considerably. I am an average cap size, so that is literally me speculating. I don't 100% know if it is big head friendly because I only got one head, and that's the head that the wig is on right now. But when I have to adjust the straps, then I do deem a unit to be big head friendly. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons with this unit, and you should be, sis, then please continue to watch. Alright, honey, so my con with this wig is the bleeding, okay? Because right now I have purple lace. I don't know if you can tell if it's coming off on camera. Now, will it disappear after I wash the wig? I don't know, okay? I don't know. But right now my lace is purple. So I wanted to definitely throw that out there. And it's also a little purple on the skin, girl, okay? I'm pretty sure I can get that off with alcohol. Let's see. Still look a little purple. Okay, so I wanted to kind of throw that out there to you guys that, you know, it's bleeding, and it did bleed onto my skin once I used my lace spray to lay the unit down. So I want you guys to know that, like, that is the biggest con with this unit, and really it's my only con with the wig. So there's my con. Now the pros with this unit is the fact that it is a pixie, honey, and I like how they have the extra hair in the back. I don't know if that's a thing for everybody, but to me, I like that. I like that. I think it makes it, you know, look better, and the fact that it's just kind of longer back there. I like that look. I like that vibe. So that's a pro for me as well. I love the actual color of the unit. It is very purple. I don't know. Yeah, now you can see. Oh, girl, it's purple, honey. Okay, it may not look so purple. It's a dark purple, like, but it's purple. She's a purple wig. Okay, so. I love that color. I love purple hair. I love color. I like to throw out color here and there. Like, that's just me. You can't wear certain colors with everything, but I do love a good dark purple. I love the texture. You know, I'm just a pixie sort of girl. And really, this unit did not take a whole lot of work. So I also love that because to me, it's lazy girl friendly. Okay, despite the fact that it's a frontal, old girl was still lazy girl friendly. So those are my pros with this unit. Alright, honey, so would I recommend this wig? Yes and no. It just depends on you. Like, to me, I'm okay. I can deal with the purple lace. Okay, it annoyed me a little with the running and all of that. But it just depends on you and what you are willing to deal with. Okay, I used to dye my hair all the time, and child, I would have... my whole forehead would be red sometimes. Like, I was a teenager, okay? Don't judge me. So certain things don't bother me that I know they will probably really, really annoy other people. So it just kind of really, really depends on you. But I love the color. If you're looking for something cute and spunky right now, I think, yeah. So it just depends on you whether or not I would recommend this wig. Alright, honey, so let's do the full 360 and we can wrap this thing up because obviously there is nothing that I need to do a lint check with, honey, because this is it. No Michael Jackson. Alright, honey, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is it on the right side. Child, I need to be a little fluffier back here. Alright, honey, so that is it. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions on this unit. What do you think? What do you think about the color? Do you have any methods to help me with my lace? Let me know down below in the comments. Sound off, honey. Once again, shout out to you, Eayon, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions on the talk I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss T on Snapchat. And I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high